we stopped broiler farming. Yes, after all the hard work, investment, and time, we made the difficult decision to stop. And no, it wasn't because we gave up farming. There's a bigger reason behind it. And today, we're going to show you exactly why. As some of you might have seen in our earlier videos, this used to be our 3 broiler coops. Each coop had its own purpose and stage of growth. This coop used to be for our mature broilers, the final stage before they were fully grown. But today, this space has completely different purpose. It has now become our storeroom. And this one, along with the other coop, used to house our vaccinated chicks during their growing stage. Back then, it was always busy with feeding, checking on the birds, and daily care. But now, we mainly use it to store sawdust and rice husks for the farm. And finally, this coop was once home to our day-old chicks, where the journey of every batch began. But today, it has turned into a simple storage space for our different farm material and random things we need around the farm. Looking at these coops now feels a little strange because they once had so much activity, but every change on a farm happens for a reason. And this is where our story of stopping broiler farming begins.
Togo, Bruno.
The main reason is because we decided to focus seriously on layer farming and start raising layers on a much larger scale. At first, we tried managing both broilers and layers, but over time we realized that doing both together comes with a lot of risk, especially when it comes to diseases. Broilers are generally more susceptible to diseases because they grow very fast and can be more sensitive to stress and infections. Some common disease in broiler includes Newcastle disease or Rennichet disease, infectious bursal disease, coccidiosis, respiratory infection like chronic respiratory disease, and bacterial infection such as fowl cholera. Disease can spread quickly in poultry if biosecurity is not very strict. For layer birds, this becomes a serious concern because they are a long-term investment. Unlike broilers, which are raised for a short period, layer stays on the farm much longer for egg production. So if disease enters the flock, the losses can be much bigger. Every small things like one caretaker moving between sheds, footwears, equipments, or feed bags can sometimes carry germs from one flock to another. We didn't want to take that chance. So, after thinking carefully, we made the decision to stop broiler farming and fully focus on our time, money, and energy on building a healthier and better management layer farm. When it comes to layer farming, you have to be very careful and pay attention to even the smallest things. Unlike broiler, layer birds need a long-term care because they are producing eggs every day. But one challenge we constantly face on the farm is unwanted visitors, rats. One interesting thing about chickens is that they actually have a way of warning each other when danger is nearby. No matter how clean or careful you are, rats are always looking for food. They sneak into the poultry shed to feed on the layer feed, which not only waste feed but can also contaminate it and create hygiene problems. And that's not the worst part. If you are not quick enough or not paying close attention, they even start feeding on the eggs, damaging them and causing loss. Layer farming is not just about collecting eggs, it's about patience, care, responsibility, and showing up every single day, even on difficult days. These birds depend on us for everything, and in return, they become part of our journey. Some days are hard. There are losses, worries, diseases, predators, and challenges that people don't always see behind the camera. But there are also small victories: the first eggs, healthy birds, and the feeling of seeing your hard work slowly grow. This farm is still growing, we are still learning, and we are far from perfect. But one thing we know for sure: every step, every mistake, and every lesson is helping us build something bigger for the future. For those wondering where our eggs go, we sell and supply our eggs to different places. Here in Kohima, we distribute our eggs to small local shops, and we also supply eggs to a distributor. Apart from that, we also send some of our eggs to a lady vendor in Mao Market who helps sell them there. For us, it's not just about producing eggs, it's also about building relationships with local businesses and making sure fresh farm eggs reach people in different places. We don't let anything go to waste on our farm. After cleaning the poultry sheds, we collect the used sodas and litter and keep it outside to naturally decompose and turn into compost. Even though we stopped broiler farming here, we realized we couldn't completely walk away from it. Broiler farming has been an important part of our journey, and instead of ending it completely, we decided to take a different approach. To protect our layer farm and reduce disease risk, we're planning to relocate our broiler farm to a different location. We'll be starting small through a partnership with a farmer, and together we hope to continue the journey of I Am Home Harvest Poultry Broiler Farm there. So this is not the end of our broiler farming journey, just a new beginning in a new place. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. We really appreciate your support. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.